I got another NANANA Fuzzy Surprise doll. This is like a rebrand for NANANA because they introduced vinyl dolls, and that's fuzzy. In this new release, they also bring back the blind packaging that they had in their signature series. There are 5 blind bags inside the box, and each one contains a surprise that's covered in a fuzzy flocking. And here is our doll. Her name is Zara Zebra. And now we begin the tedious process of peeling off all the flocking on all the accessories. I don't really like this play feature, but I love the dolls a lot more, so I think it's worth it. And now that everything is nicely peeled, we can give the doll and her accessories a bath in warm soapy water to remove any excess paint and flocking. And here is our doll all nice and clean. In all honesty, I'm really surprised whenever NANANA releases a new doll line, because this line is older than Rainbow High and the dolls are very unique. But I love these new vinyl dolls and I can't wait to see more. What do y'all think?